Following their visit to the Gqabi Bridge project last week, ECSECC Board of Directors proceeded to Tsolo to visit the Mzimvubu water project.
Here we came because the board wanted to see just directly what the progress in terms of the project work looks like, and indeed there has been a confirmation of all of the advanced infrastructure work that is taking place within the project, and today confirmation is being made that the entire dam area has now been pegged, and being pegged means that indeed with the approval of the actual construction process, the dam will now take off.
We have now started the Mzimvubu project. We've broken it down in stages and the way we're going to build this project. We are deep in stage 1, which is the access roads, and we have started stage 2 as well, which is the actual Ntambalenga Dam. So the dam construction itself, that's around 5 years, let's call it construction period, and that for Ntambalenga Dam. And while we are building Ntambalenga Dam, we look at the planning and implementation of stage 3, which is the bulk pipelines, and stage 4, which is the hydroelectrical power. So that's the total picture of the project, and those are some of the timelines that we're working on.
There's been identification of where things are going to happen. They took us through in terms of understanding that. So there's an access road to get here, which was not there before. So preparations are in place for the material that is going to be utilized for the dam to be ferried to the place.
The Department of Water and Sanitation told board members they've built internal capacity to build the second tallest dam in South Africa.
This is one of the best model projects in government in South Africa. Everything in this department is in-house, so we've got our own in-house engineers who do the designs. So they've done everything. We've got our planning unit as well, which does everything. All the project management is internal, environmentalists are internal, social facilitation is internal. So everything that you'll think about in a project management unit, in this project, everything is internal. So we do everything from being the designers to mopping the floor. So anything you find in a project, a life cycle, it's internal in this project. However, we do make sure that the community benefit. So we do leave some vacant spaces and posts which you can absorb the local laborers so that at least they learn some skills and are able to be absorbed within the project and the department. All the professionals as well that we have in the project are from the local. The environmentalist is from here, the lab technician is also from here, and some of the engineers that we have on site are all community members. So we made sure and ensure that as a department we don't bring all our resources here, but we try to make sure that at least we get from around the area. So we took our labor force from Umhlonhlo and Elundini, so both municipalities have been benefiting in that sense.
We will be treating the water just slightly downstream. There's a water treatment works that will be built in conjunction with the dam as stage 2, so that when we distribute water from this dam, we are distributing potable water to the municipalities and the water boards. That makes it cheaper for them and the indigent population that use water from this system.
Once complete, the Mzimvubu water project will benefit residents in 3 district municipalities: OR Tambo, Alfred, and Gqabi.
Well, to think of it that for many years we've been talking about this project. Finally, the project is starting, the construction is on site. If anything important we can take from the project are 2 things. One, the dam that is being built in this village is going to feed people in various towns across different parts of the province. And that's how interconnected we are as humanity. The second one is this project is a very old project insofar as when it was muted, it now only is beginning to be started, and that tells you that we need to help people to understand that development does take place.
As the board, we're very happy to see fruits of what ECSECC started years ago. I think when the project was started by the institution, we didn't realize it will take this long. But having been on site, we then see there is progress that is happening. One then is praying that the project is going to work according to timelines, so that we still celebrate while we are still here as the board to see the fruits of what ECSECC started years ago coming to life.